Hands Up for Trad, through its many projects, will help to support musicians, both young and old alike. Through its many projects, such as the BBC Young Traditional Musician of the Year, the Trad Awards, and its many educational summer schools, Hands Up for Trad do a splendid job in promoting and nurturing Scots traditional music in our homeland.
Hands Up for Trad is it's an amazing organisation. The thing I think that I like most about Hands Up for Trad is they devote their time to and energy to promoting Scottish traditional music and also recognising people that would never ever get recognised. You know, people who, whether you're a Gaelic singer or you play the tin whistle or the banjo, whatever you do, but these people go through lives and they devote their whole lives to either playing this music or teaching it. And I think when Hands Up for Trad gives them a prize, I really think it means the world to them, and they wouldn't be recognised, and I think that's a really brilliant thing.
Over the years, I think Hands Up for Trad has gone from strength to strength, and what it really does is it provides a really useful focus for traditional music and traditional musicians. It gives us something to look forward to at the end of the year. Nice big ceremony, everybody gets together, and it really, I suppose it validates traditional music in the eyes of the larger community.
Yeah, it does, and I mean every kind of music has its awards. We have, country music, pop music, and we should have our own awards as well.
Yeah, so it's been a great thing, and it's been a wonderful thing to watch how it has grown and blossomed into a fully formed organisation.
Yeah.
Hands Up for Trad is na trads a tush cála bhuch ciúr agus bhuch éisteach is an sealtain chomhairtear sa guptad agus an ghanan agus an ceol a hacin an málacha agus has ganal efkin na de gúne chin cála is an seo anú gachblion.
And Hands Up for Trad is, I suppose, the culmination of many years and many people's desires and talents and abilities, whether it's Ali and Phil going through the whole gamut, or whether it's traditional Gaelic singers or pipers or whatever it is. There is a marvellous coming together and recognition. That's one of the great important things. When I was doing programmes for the BBC in the afternoon, Mr. Anderson's Fine Tunes, it was a combination of Celtic and classical, and it was a declaration that Scotland's music, in the pantheon of world music, had as much to offer as any other country. And so it's been a delight to see how this has progressed. This is a remarkable achievement and something that we should all recognise and hope that it will continue in a prosperous fashion.
I think Hands Up for Trad is one of the best things that ever happened to Scots traditional music. I'm a fan, as you may probably realise. Hands Up for Trad has, and Simon Thoumire in particular, has just transformed the traditional music scene in Scotland.
It's been an amazing time. We've had so much fun creating a platform for musicians and the public to come together and explore our amazing musical culture. Nowadays with the Trad Awards, we go out live on the TV and thousands of people vote and they listen and they know about all our amazing musicians. It's been a real pleasure. In the future for Hands Up for Trad, I hope we just continue to create new projects with new ideas and new opportunities for musicians and the public to get together and learn from each other, having a brilliant time and have everyone across the world talking about Scottish traditional music. I can't wait to join you on this journey, and together we're going to have a brilliant time listening and learning.
Hands Up for Trad.
3, 4. Hands up for Trad.
Hands Up for Trad.
Hands Up for Trad.
I wish the Hands Up for Trad would have been there 30 years ago when I first started.